Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. You hear me talk so much, but today I've got something special. I'm going to let the clients talk about our sheds instead of me for once. Let's go inside and see some sheds. We're inside the building consent-free pole shed. Check it out. What's your dream shed? There's all these awesome sheds all over, but we're just going to roll through so many clients we've caught up. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to everybody that supported us over the years and has let us build their dream shed. But let's see what they say about working with the team at Waikato Sheds and why, if you're looking in the market for a shed, definitely consider us and give us a shot. So thanks for everyone. Thanks for the support from all the suppliers and everyone. Got any questions, let me know. Tell me who's got the best testimonial or any of that. And if you want a prize, let me know in the DMs and I'll get something that's sorted out for you. Awesome. Great sheds, done right, coming at you.
It's just such a transformation from what it was to what it is now. So we're both can be proud of the hard work that we've done.
Oh,
and we could have done it without you guys too, you know?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, we're very happy. We're very proud. It's been a lot of hard work, eh? But when you sit here and go like, wow, and have a cold beer at the end of the day, you go like, yep, it's ours.
Yeah.
You know, I sat down with JCU straight away and we just went through a whole bunch of options. And again, I loved that the same sort of experience I had with Urban is you guided me. And I can genuinely say this, not just because we're on camera. I knew you were excited about it from that moment. And that came through really, really quickly. And Mike, I love the shed. It's been a fantastic experience. And even through the building experience, the guys that were on site, you could see they were excited about what they were doing because it was a massively, massively complex and sturdy construction.
How have you found it, Philip?
Looking at what's been produced, I mean, we're absolutely pleased with the result. The hard work and dedication from Waikato Sheds with Jason's team. It looks amazing. We can't believe it's exceeded our expectations. You know, our whole community, our parents, our staff, our children just think it's absolutely awesome. And we can't wait to use it soon. We feel so lucky.
Waikato Sheds gave me the best bang for buck for the budget. Very happy with the build specs. We went down to field days. Everything came out on top for the money. We couldn't get better. Dealing with a company in the Waikato has been completely easy. It's been absolutely indistinguishable from dealing with an Auckland company. Everything I needed, everything I wanted, on time. Great. I've got to actually take my hat off to you, Bronick. When I first spoke to you, I said, look, I've never done this before. I'm going to need you to hold my hand and walk me through it. And Shane helped and you helped. And, Andrew Day was a fantastic help.
Yep.
So really, I was sort of blind in the beginning and I got led through the whole process quite easily. You guys didn't laugh at me when I made weird suggestions and funny changes, and you helped me through it. And I got to say, it's very rare to go this far down a project and do this much work and absolutely be as happy as I am. You know, very, very good delivery. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome, mate.
In summary, for me, I just want to say the whole process was so great. No problems. Always there. Any questions, they sorted it out for us. So Thank you guys.
Cheers,
awesome.
mate.
Yep.
Awesome.
Heaps.
Overall, the product is perfect. And I get what I expect. Yeah. And the quality and the workmanship is fine. It's very good.
I'm very happy. I'm very glad to come across these gentlemen, which are so open and keen to assist and to help on the market. When everybody's trying to protect more and to hide, they are open and they really want to share and to support and to assist whichever dreams you've got. This is our dream. This is our project. And I'm pretty sure and looking forward and hoping that the next project after this one is finished for the church that is going to be built where the cross is there is going to be an extension of our collaboration that starts today. I would say under the sign of a blessing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. I got a quote. We adjusted a few things and we gave the go, and then the technical boys got involved.
Fantastic. Shane and Quentin.
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you find them dealing from them? You know, we're down here in the Wairarapa, we're up in the Waikato.
Yeah. Well, I found there was no issue about, particularly about being a little bit further away from the Waikato than just around the region. There was never any issue with, yes, we need to supply you with that. No problem, no questions.
Fantastic.
So it all went very well. Started with the whole process of you get a full set of plans.
Yes.
And it just goes straight into council. This is if you're doing it yourself.
Yes.
And go straight into council, no questions asked, away we went.
Yeah, and we looked after that all for you, didn't we?
Yep, Waikato Sheds do all of that.
Beautiful, yeah.
So the old man's bought a property over in Te Ara, and his had a Waikato Sheds on it, and had a look at his, and then other friends have got sheds, and heard Waikato Sheds have been around for a long time and that sort of stuff. So wanted someone that could work with and do what we wanted and listen, and this is what we've got. It's awesome.
That's cool.
Yeah, nice strong shed.
Awesome. So overall experience with Waikato Sheds?
Awesome.
All good?
Communication's great. Product's great.
Particularly the sales and design process from the start.
Yeah. Especially your process, always.
I've just planted those words. And quality of finish, meet your expectations. You're happy with all that?
Perfect. Yeah. Yep. Not a screw missed. Everything's good. The builder's done a great job, and then the kit set itself's awesome.
We've come from Whangamata, and 3 years ago, Jason built a shed for us, and we've sold that property. We're now looking at Cambridge, so we're here to go for our second shed.
Awesome. Well, I look forward to it. We'll come on in. Hello, Francis. Great to see you guys. All right, well, let's all roll inside and we'll, get that underway.
This is definitely my baby, something I'm really proud of. I heard you say the ultimate garden shed. Wait till you see inside. I've got some great little tips in there. Listen, I met up with Waikato Sheds, Noble Sheds, about 6 or 7 years ago. Actually met you guys at field days. Nice. I was looking around, building a house, wanted to build a shed, looked around at field days, looked at so many opposition, kept coming back to Noble Sheds. Love the fact I could build it myself. So this baby, it's been built with these hands. Yeah. Loved it. Like it's I guess it's a man's Meccano set, really, isn't it?
Yeah. Jason from the Waikato Shed Company, who was the company that gave us so much help. Sold us a really good shed, and I really think that without their assistance, having had one false start, which we won't go into, we had a false start, and now Jason stepped in, and this is where we're at. So thank you, Jason.
How did you actually find Waikato Sheds, and obviously the process and all? And
yeah, Waikato Sheds were great. Everything was built beautifully.
Cool.
We were very happy with the shed. It worked so well for us.
Yeah.
The team was great, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right from Brian to start with, and then on to the builders. They were lovely, and they were very respectful, which when you've got older people around, it's always really great to have builders that are respectful. We really love that about them.
How have you found the journey or the experience?
Yeah, overall really good. The communication was good. Fast in terms of like the turnaround of getting everything sorted, and then actually cannot believe how quickly your build team got it up, within 3 or 4 weeks. It was incredible, and they were really communicative and helpful throughout that process as well.
Brilliant.